Come on, man.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to talk about a new update that I just received on Walmart Spark. Make sure you hit that like and that subscribe button before we get into it, though. So we all are familiar with shop and pay orders. We familiar with the curbside pickups, the batched orders, the GMs, next days. Walmart Spark has now introduced batched shop and delivery. So just like normal, they say bulky items equal more earnings. But what I want to focus on is the simple fact that you are now going to be able to shop for 2 customers at the same time on Walmart Spark. Now, my Instacart people, y'all gonna be familiar with this already. You can get up to 3 customers on Instacart, A, B, C. It wants you to separate them by customer as you're going through the items in the aisles, right? But on Walmart Spark, I like Walmart Spark a whole lot better. I'm actually posted up in the parking lot right now, waiting on my next order. I like Walmart Spark a lot better because it tends to be easier to find the items when you're in there shopping, and I tend to see better payouts and better tips. Instacart customers have the option to order from any grocery store in any store that's affiliated with the Instacart app, but Walmart customers are only ordering from Walmart, maybe Sam's Club here and there. So with the ability to shop for a whole additional customer, that's going to offer more opportunities for drivers to make that money. Now, if you follow this channel, you know what's up. Look, if you ain't out there shopping, you need to be, especially in this day and age. The gig economy is in the race to the bottom. Ain't nobody making no money, delivering no food. You really ain't. Customers ain't tipping. The base pay ain't there. But on these shopping orders, specifically with Walmart Spark, you get an $11 base pay. I'm curious to see if that will be raised, because the shop and pay orders on Walmart Spark are placed by the customer on the express side, meaning that they pay to get that order accepted in an hour or less, sometimes 75 minutes or less, but typically an hour or less. So I'm used to getting an $11 base pay for the shopping orders I do on Walmart Spark. I think that the reason they are doing this is to, one, get more orders out per hour, because there's always more shopping orders out there than the drivers that are available to complete them. But 2, I feel like this is the perfect opportunity for them to get more orders done while at the same time decreasing our base pay. Because I do not think that we are going to be seeing $11 in base pay from one customer, then a whole nother $11 in base pay from a second customer. Because if that was the case, and we're dealing with, customers that are 1 to 3 miles away from the Walmart, that actually is a recipe where drivers can make a lot more money. Because let's just say, for a scenario, you got 2 shop and pay orders that are getting shopped at the same time, but they both happen to not have a tip. Usually those orders pop up as $11. And if there's 2 customers who didn't tip, well, now that offer should now say $22. 2 customers who didn't tip, but you're still only driving 3-4 miles away. For me, as long as the item count is low, I'm going to take an offer like that, because the base pay and the mileage and the item count makes it meet my parameters for me to not care about a tip. We only care about a tip when you ain't making enough money. If the base pay is there, you don't care. But I don't think Walmart is going to do the right thing and give us that full $11 base pay for the first shopping customer and the second shopping customer. I think this is going to be an opportunity for them to lower that base pay. Let me know what you think in the comments below. But I got the notification just like y'all did. They offering batch shopping orders. I haven't seen them in my area just yet, but I'm pretty sure that once we get the next update, they'll be doing that. As you can see, I'm posted right over here on the side of my Walmart, just waiting on my next shopping order to come through. And a lot of the drivers like to post up over here by the pickup side. If you trying to get an order and you worried about, signal issues, post up by the pickup side, because that's going to be your best bet as far as seeing orders in a timely manner. Now, overall, more opportunity for drivers to make their money means just that, more opportunities for you to make your money. But whenever there's a good thing, there's always going to be some give and pull. Mark my words, I think we're going to have a reduction in base pay on the shopping orders. It's $11 right now. If it goes down by $1, I'll be happy, because I honestly believe if they give you 2 customers and the $11 that the customer has to pay to initiate that express order, Walmart's still going to get that. But just getting another order out in that same hour, where they wouldn't get another order out in that same time frame, that's not going to be enough for Walmart. They're going to want a little bit of that profit that we are now being able to get from that base pay. So I imagine that they would drop the base pay by a couple dollars and maybe give you like a combined base pay of $15. Because when it comes to these gig companies, it's hard for them to make a money and pay us a good wage. Walmart is really our best shot. And if they introducing something like this, while it could be beneficial to us, I also feel like they're going to use that as an opportunity to increase their profits, because why wouldn't they? At the end of the day, even though I'm a driver and you a driver and we want to make more money, we got to look at the bigger picture. Walmart is trying to make money. Yes, they might give us opportunities to do these orders and new opportunities to make more money, right? Batch shopping pay. But at the end of the day, they got to make a profit with any move they do. Vertical, horizontal, lateral, it does not matter. Whatever move they decide to make as a business, if it directly affects us or not, they have to make sure they justifying it with making a profit. And the quickest way to make a profit is to pay your drivers less, especially if you asking them to do more. So let me know what your thoughts are on this particular topic. Do you think that Walmart Spark will lower the base pay on the batch shopping orders? If you already are completing batch shopping orders, please let me know, because I make money on shopping pay. Most of my orders throughout the week are going to be shop and deliver orders. So this is going to have a big impact for me. Hopefully you're able to make more money with this new change. But again, take this with a grain of salt. Who knows when it will be live in your market? Who knows if it will positively or negatively impact you in your market? But the one thing we do know is the more information you have, the more money you can make. And that's the bottom line. So look, if you enjoyed this video, just a quick look, impromptu giving you an update about Walmart Spark. Stop playing with me. Do me a favor. Hit that like button, that subscribe button, and watch this next video.
FBI, open up! Come on, man.